Many victims of abuse question if they are the abuser. Can you relate to that? Maybe you're starting to feel like something's wrong in your relationship. You go online, you start seeing videos. You can relate to so many of them, but sometimes you see a video and you think, am I the abuser? Let's look at two scenarios and see how victims can sound a lot like an abuser. If I'm such a piece of shit, why are you with me? If I'm so bad, why don't you leave? Here, the abuser is trying to play the victim. They're trying to goad you into saying, no, babe, you're not that bad. They're that bad. Now, let's look at how a victim might sound. All you do is criticize me. I don't understand why you're with me. If I'm so awful, why don't you just leave? So if they're saying the same thing to each other, who's the abuser? How can you tell? If you're experiencing this type of confusion, I want you to reflect upon your intention. Are you saying what you're saying to get them to stay? Are you trying to control them? Abusers, they intend to gain power and control over their victims. They want a power imbalance within the relationship dynamic. If your confusion feels genuine to you, trust your gut. Abusers, they know that they're being manipulative. They're doing it on purpose. Only you know the intention behind the words that you're saying. Victims often pick up toxic traits and abusive behaviors as a defense mechanism. The truth is, any relationship that gives you this much confusion, toxicity, abuse, and misery is one that you should not be in. I can teach you how to leave your toxic or abusive relationship. Check out the Trauma Bond Recovery course or my private or group coaching.